All right, so we have our pencil drawing and we're going to start by using our Sharpie, and we are going to go over all of the pencil lines. And when you use this Sharpie, you want to pull slowly and carefully, and this will give you a nice clean line. You want to avoid doing those feathery strokes, even where you have the hair, like for your eyebrows. You just want to do sort of long lines. You don't want to make it start to look like real furry. So as I pull, you're just going to go over everything very carefully in Sharpie. You should have a Sharpie that you received in your materials bag, so you can use that one. It should be brand new, so it should work really, really nicely. All right, I'm going to continue outlining, and I will see you back here in a few minutes. All right, boys and girls, I have already outlined everything, and now I am going to use an eraser to clean up any pencil lines that I kind of have that are left over on the paper. It will neaten everything up, and I kind of fixed some of the lettering that I didn't really care for with my pencil. So I'm just going through and cleaning things up before I move on to the next step. So basically, when we start to color, what I want you to do is outline around the shape you're going to be filling in. This helps to keep everything really neat and sort of buttoned up, so you're not going to have a lot of stray lines. Then you're going to start at the top, and you're going to just pull that marker down. It seems like it is very slow and it will take forever, but honestly, it goes much quicker because you don't have to go over the same spot 100 times to get it filled in. Plus, because markers kind of show where the lines are, if they are all going in one direction, it keeps things looking really a lot neater. So I am going to continue coloring, and you can watch, or I'll maybe fast forward through this part a little bit. Okay, so I am going to finish up this side. So with hair, I am going to pull the marker lines in the direction that the hair would be flowing. So if I overlap, or maybe I miss a tiny spot, it's going to make it look as if there's the different tones of the hair, like highlights or areas where it's darker. As long as I pull in the same direction, it kind of works to your benefit. Okay, I am almost done. Just have to finish up this last little detail. And there it is.